International Level, Hong Kong International Mathematical Olympiad, Philippine International Math and Science Olympiad Science Category, Philippine International Math and Science Olympiad Mathematics Category, making Agusan National High School as one of the most outstanding schools in the Philippines in Math and Science. Angkor Mathematics Olympiad, Thailand International Mathematical Olympiad, Hong Kong International Science Olympiad, Physics Gold Medalist Top 4 Worldwide, Perfect Scorer, Health Science Gold Medalist Top 13 Worldwide, Asian World History Gold Medalist Top 17 Worldwide, Perfect Scorer, Biology Gold Medalist Top 3 Worldwide, Chemistry Gold Medalist Top 4 Worldwide, Perfect Scorer, Silver Medalist International Mathematics Olympiad of Southeast Asia, STEMCO International Mathematics Competition, Asian Science Mathematics Olympiad, Mathematics Category, Science Category, Academia of International Minds, Filipino Silver Medalist Top 6 nationwide, Space Science Silver Medalist Top 3 worldwide, English Silver Medalist Top 14 worldwide, Sherman Mathematics Olympiad Final Round Silver Medalist, Bronze Medalist International Science Olympiad of Southeast Asia, International Merit Awards for Asian Science Mathematics Olympiad, English Category, Fermat Mathematics Olympiad, International Vedic Mathematics Olympiad, International Merit Awardee, Special International Awardee, Philippine International Math and Science Olympiad, Pin Silver Cup Awardee, Gold Medalist National Level, National Mathematics Challenge, League of Innovative National Challenge, Knowledge Science Math History Challenge 2025, League of Innovative National Knowledge, National Math Tournament Symphony Round 2025, Perfect Scorer, League of Innovative National Knowledge, National English Tournament Grammar Rex Challenge 2025, Silver Medal Awards, 6 Matinic Vedic Mathematics, League of Innovative National Knowledge, National Scholastic Ability Tournament Aptitude Ability Challenge 2025, Philippine National Vedic Mathematics Olympiad Bronze Medalist, Takis Talino, Division Level 3rd Place, School Nominee for Gawad Talino, and Search for Outstanding Botanik Teachers and Students. Wow, John Michael.